This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. 4-bedroom 2.5 bathroom home, 2,808 square feet, great floor plan. 2 living rooms, both have access to covered packed patio west / built-in audio speakers inside out. Second living room has large gas fireplace. Spacious kitchen west / huge breakfast bar, custom cabinets, granite countertops, upgraded fixtures. Hardwood floors on the main level, huge formal dining area. Inviting entryway and grand staircase, 4 oversized bedrooms and incredible view from master with luxurious bathroom, well maintained, better than new. For more information, review the details below.